Hey guys, and welcome back. So I'm just actually sitting here editing the video that you're about to see and realize I didn't create an intro and it just jumps straight to the video. So to clear any confusion, I am making date syrup. If you don't know what dates are, I'll put a picture up here for you guys. So basically, like, people who are vegan use dates to sweeten like cakes and cookies and all type of things, pies and all that jazz, right? So, they're just a natural sweetener. So I wanted to give it a try and make, like, pancake syrup just using dates. In the next video that you'll see after this, the next vlog, I do give you a little bit of my opinions on it. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe because it's free 99. Like this video and comment, please. I'd really appreciate you joining the family. But yeah. So basically, in the next video, I tell you that. And also, I am going to redo this video. I'm not a cooking channel by any means. So like I said, this video just kind of like just goes into it. But the next video, I'm going to record it and I'm going to tweak it a little bit because now I know what I could do differently. But other than that, I'm going to leave it right here and let's just go ahead and get to the video. I did just want to mention I have a pot of water and I'm going to boil this water. Then I'm going to put the dates inside and I'm going to let it soak for 30 minutes. Okay, so I have some water boiling. Now I'm going to turn it off because we're not going to boil them right now. I just want them to soak in this hot water. So what I'm going to do is I just de-seeded the dates. Now I'm going to actually put them inside the hot water. And like I said, I'm not boiling them right now. I'm just letting them sit and soak in this for 30 minutes. Okay, so this is what they look like. And they're just gonna sit in there and soak for 30 minutes. Alright, guys? Okay, so they've been soaking for about 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this whisk and I'm just going to start smashing them. Just really simple, smashing them up. So I'm going to take this bowl and I'm going to put that off to the side. And I'm going to take a smaller bowl like this one right here. And I got it wet already, so by accident I got this wet. So I'm going to take a cheesecloth, and this is just a piece of cheesecloth. I got it from Amazon and I just kind of cut it so I don't use all of it. And I'm just going to pour this onto the cheesecloth. And you just want to strain everything. You don't want to get no chunks inside. It kind of smells weird. Well, and then with that other bowl, once this one starts to get full, I'm just going to empty it. second. Okay, so here is the liquid. I feel like I could have got a little bit more if I was squeezing it some more. So there's the cheesecloth. You can use muslin cloth. I think the muslin cloth will be a little bit better. And I also use just a tiny strainer just to make sure I get everything out of there and nothing else was in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this exact liquid, adding nothing else to it. I'm going to add it into this small pot and I'm going to boil it. So my stove is electric, so I have it on like medium, which would be number 5. So it's like slow simmering, and you can see it's still liquidy. It isn't like fully boiling either. But you want to boil this till it gets to like the consistency you like. So if you like your syrup a little bit thicker, you'll let it keep boiling till it gets to that consistency. If you like it more watery, then you don't boil it as much. But it's still pretty liquidy for my liking, so I'm gonna let it boil some more. So as you can see, it is boiling and it has reduced a lot. Just reducing itself is making it thicker, and it is getting thicker, you guys. It's definitely not as watery. I'm gonna let it boil for probably like another 15 minutes. Now granted, it isn't gonna be as thick as Aunt Jemima's syrup. It's not going to, but it will be almost like the consistency of pure maple syrup. If you ever tried pure maple syrup, it is a little bit more like on the quote-unquote watery side. So that's what this is gonna be. But you can boil it till as much as it can go without reducing like to nothing. But I'm satisfied, and I did taste it, and it tastes amazing, you guys. Like, it really does taste good, so I'm excited. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this mason jar. And I'm gonna let it cool off. That's what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool off, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's completely cooled.